Hey there, Firestick user. Are you facing issues with the volume button on your remote not working? You're not alone, and it's a common issue that many Firestick users experience. But worry not, because today's guide on how to fix volume button on remote for Firestick not working has got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk you through several methods to get your remote's volume button back in action, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite shows without any hitches. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first and often overlooked reason the volume buttons might not work is due to weak or exhausted batteries in your remote. Start by checking the battery compartment to ensure that the batteries are properly installed. If they are, but you are still having issues, replace them with new ones. Fresh batteries can sometimes be an easy fix for unresponsive buttons. Step 2. Repair the remote. Sometimes the connection between your remote and Firestick can be disrupted, causing the volume button to stop working. To remedy this, you can repair the remote. Here's how. Unplug your Firestick from the power source for a few seconds and then plug it back in. Once it's powered back on, hold down the home button on your remote for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see a prompt on your TV screen indicating successful pairing. Check if the volume button works properly afterwards. Step 3. Reset the remote. If repairing doesn't resolve the issue, consider resetting the remote. This step can clear any glitches that might be causing the problem. Form a reset by pressing and holding the left menu and back buttons simultaneously for about 12 seconds. Release the buttons and wait for a few seconds before removing the remote's battery. Reinsert the batteries and see if the remote reconnects with your Firestick. After reconnecting, test the volume button again to see if this fixed the issue. Step 4. Update Firestick firmware. Sometimes outdated software can create compatibility issues leading to unresponsive remote buttons. Ensure your Firestick is running the latest software version. To check for updates, go to Settings from the Firestick home screen. Navigate to My Fire TV and select About. Click on Check for System Update and follow the on-screen instructions if an update is available. Once updated, test the remote to see if the volume button is functioning as expected. Step 5. Inspect your remote and TV settings. If the issue persists, it's worth checking your TV settings and remote configurations. Ensure your TV is set to accept volume commands from the Firestick remote. You might also explore Alexa voice remote settings, as incorrect configurations here could interfere with functionality. Double-check in Equipment Control under Firestick settings to ensure everything is set up properly. By following these steps, how to fix volume button on remote for Firestick not working should hopefully become a problem of the past. Whether it was a simple battery issue, a needed repairing, or a software update, one of these solutions is bound to resolve the matter. Keep enjoying your favorite streaming content without interruption, and if issues persist, consider contacting customer support for further assistance. Happy streaming.